If you don't yet have a plan to save money, or the one you have isn't working, you might want to learn an easy and effective way to use the method I'm about to share with you in this video. It will not only help you save, but also manage your expenses better. The idea is to divide your money into 6 jars or 6 piggy banks. That's right. I want to talk to you about a well-known savings system proposed by Harv Eker, author of Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. The most important thing about this method is that you allocate all your money according to specific percentages. Therefore, it works regardless of whether you earn a lot or a little, if your income changes weekly, or if you don't receive a regular paycheck. What are these percentages? 55% of your money goes into an account for daily expenses. This covers necessities like food, housing, healthcare, transportation, debt payments, etc. You'll spend all of this during the month, and if there's anything left, you should use it to invest. 10% goes into an education account. All the money in this jar is used to learn and develop new skills. With this money, you buy books, courses, or anything that helps you educate yourself. There may be times when you spend more than this 10% on education, as investing in yourself is the best investment you can make. Another 10% is for fun. This money is easy to spend because it's the portion you'll use for things you enjoy most, like going to the beach, dining out, enjoying your favorite hobby, or going out with your family. You can even spend it on expensive things, but be careful not to exceed the 10% limit. Another 10% is for major purchases. This is the money you save for the future. With it, you can create an emergency fund, save for a car, make home repairs, or take a vacation with your family. Time flies, and this 10% will grow quickly. I assure you. Another 10% goes into an investment account. This money is used for investments that, over time, will generate extra income, buying assets, investing in the stock market, or starting your own business. You cannot spend it on anything else, because this is the jar that will help you achieve financial freedom one day. The final 5% is for helping others. With this money, you can support a charitable cause, donate to a church, or buy gifts for friends. If you don't have money, you can help by giving your time to others, volunteering, helping your community, etc. The good we do always comes back to us. These are the 6 jars that together make up 100% of your income. The advantage of using this savings method is that you only spend what you earn. This can become your way of managing a household budget. Additionally, your income will grow over time because investing in generating extra income and your education will yield results. We've experienced this ourselves, and it motivates us a lot. These percentages can change as your financial situation improves. One day, you may no longer need to allocate 55% to your daily expenses, and you'll be able to dedicate some of that money to other purposes, like helping others. But how can you save if you don't have money? Don't get discouraged yet. If you think you can't currently cover your daily expenses with just 55% of what you earn, you can start using the 6-jar method with just $1. That's right, dividing your money is a method you can apply to any amount. Start by splitting $1 among the 6 jars or piggy banks and increase the amount with each paycheck. 5, 10, 20, $50. Until one day you can do it with your entire income. As I mentioned in another video, saving money has to become a habit. You need to learn to manage small amounts of money to be ready when you have more. Of course, if your situation allows, then start using this method with your full earnings today. So, where should you keep the money? If you have a reliable banking system in your country and can open accounts for free, then you can open 6 bank accounts dedicated to daily expenses, fun, investment, education, and helping others. The advantage of having accounts is that you can set up automatic transfers to distribute the percentage of your income on payday. You can also store the money traditionally in jars, envelopes, or piggy banks. Choose what works best for you. Still not sure if this method is for you? Then try it out to see for yourself. We can all come up with excuses, but even if you're short on money, let this be your motivation to find ways to earn more. Set up your savings system, and you'll soon see the results. What do you think about the 6-jar method? Is it for you? Or do you use another savings method? Leave us a comment,